Nothing beats a satisfying burger when you're hungry. Like other popular foreign foods, burgers made their way to the Philippines kitchen, mainly due to American colonization. From then on, young and old alike patronized well-known burger brands, and the best brands increase in numbers across the country. With colorful ads, our well-loved burger brands entice diners with the extraordinary presentation of their food and give regular irresistible promos a compelling reason to savor the delicious taste of that burger. Hello fellow food trippers! Please join us on this food trip to dine at JackO's Burger Bar at 1364 Laan Road, Sampaloc, Manila for a Pay Less, Eat More promo of Unli burgers, Unli wings, and Unli fries. JackO's Burger Bar is strategically located within the University Belt where a significant concentration of students and workers abound. For this reason, JackO's a la carte menu offers all-day tasty meals of burgers, pasta, rice meals, sides, and drinks at budget-friendly prices. Aside from the a la carte dishes on their menu, JackO's Burger Bar offers 3 mouth-watering eat-all-you-can promos, a treat you can never resist. The first on the list is the unlimited burgers with unlimited french fries in 9 variants. The second is a choice of unlimited wings in 16 flavors for an affordable price of 275 pesos each set. But if you crave to feast on both, JackO's heard you loud and clear with a third option that will satisfy you fully. The combo meals of unlimited burgers, wings, and fries are offered at an unbelievably exciting price of 329 pesos, complete with plain rice and a refreshing red iced tea drink. JackO's Burger Bar has fired up the grill to infuse traditional burgers with great toppings, a fun way to dress up the patties in 9 variants, namely classic with no veggies, quarter pounder, cheesy silly, cheesy bacon, Hawaiian, Texas barbecue, spam, peanut butter, and quarter pounder with coleslaw. Along with the irresistible chicken wings, boosted and packed with deliciousness in 16 flavors, namely buffalo, Korean garlic, barbecue, garlic parmesan, sweet chili, teriyaki, salted egg, cheese, chili cheese, citrus glaze, Thai peanut, chili, pineapple labuyo, gravy, spicy gravy, and honey sriracha. So if you are tired of the same old burger and wings and want a satisfying meal at very affordable prices, come and gather with your friends and family and turn your simple meals into a celebration of fresh flavors. Grab a bite and discover a new twist of flavors on the traditional burgers and wings at JackO's Burger Bar, where burgers and wings taste so good. The burger restaurant is open Monday to Saturday for dine-in and takeaways from 11:30 a.m. to 10:30 p.m. and 1 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. on Sundays. For order and dining inquiries, you may call or message 0976 023 5659. See you on our next food trip at One Pot Hot Pot at SMBC Shore Residences, Sunrise Drive, MOA Complex, Pasay City. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment down below. Thank you for watching.